welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I want to talk about one of the most iconic and popular brand in skincare. It's none other than Sun and Sky. So recently, they emailed me to do a collab, so I was so excited, especially for their iconic Australian pink clay products. I've been wanting to try other brands out in the market, especially the ones that get viral and the ones that I've heard a lot of great things. But since I work at Sephora, I get a lot of skincare products and, like different products from different brands. So I never really get the chance to venture out and try other brands, especially if they are not available at Sephora Canada. And since I get a lot of products for free and gratis, I just get stuck on the products that I have because I know that I have to use them right away, especially if they are skincare. I was so excited to get a chance to try these products and this brand. So today I'll be doing a quick demo on how I use them and my product review on each items. I'm most excited about the Australian pink clay because I know when there's a clay in the ingredient, it will be great for my skin type. I have oily combination skin and acne prone skin, and especially with Australian pink clay, it's more natural and it does toxify your skin, removes impurities and refine your pores, but at the same time it keeps the moisture off your skin. So if you guys want to see what I think about Sun and Sky, especially with their Australian pink clay icon kit, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I want to start by showing you this really nice neoprene kit or pouch that I got. How cute is the color? And I even tried to blend in with the color of the pouch and their packaging. So there's 4 pieces of skincare products here. It comes with the icon kit. And on each box, it comes with a little pamphlet that will give you all the information and details about their products, the ingredients, and everything that you need to know about each item. Here are the 4 items that I got. This is the Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. And then I got the Flash Perfection Exfoliator. And this is what I'm most excited about, the Australian Pink Clay Pore Finding Face Mask. And it comes with a little brush there to apply. And last but not the least is their Smoothing Body Sun. Oh, and also comes with this cute shovel. Yeah, cute shovel. Now let's talk about each product. I'll start with the Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. So this purifying gel cleanser washes away impurities for clear, silky, soft skin. The loofah plant extract and AHA containing Australian finger lime extract gently exfoliate, while Australian pink clay helps purify the skin. This formula easily lifts away makeup, congestion, with witch hazel naturally helping to target the appearance of pores, and macadamia oil moisturizing the skin for a picture-perfect finish. So I use this morning and at night to wash my face before I put my serum and moisturizer. I actually like this one because it's gel cleanser. I love gel cleanser, especially for my skin, and it lathers pretty good, which is a good thing because I like anything that bubbles and kind of feel that my skin is squeaky clean. But with this one, it doesn't make my skin feel tight afterwards. So it's great even for winter. It also has a gentle exfoliation from the loofah extract, which reminds me of the Tatcha one that has loofah extract as well. Pretty similar to that, but we know that Tatcha is very expensive, so this is actually a good alternative to that. And the next one is the Flash Perfection Exfoliator. So this is a double action exfoliant. It's formulated with AHA-rich fruit extracts that helps improve the appearance of skin tone and radiance, while the Australian pink clay draws out impurity and refines your pores. The antioxidants from botanical oils will leave your skin with a radiant glow. So when I use this after I cleanse my skin, and then you wanted to massage it for 30 seconds and then leave it for 5 minutes before you wash it off. If you have sensitive skin, then you can just apply it and leave it for 5 minutes without massaging or scrubbing your skin. So this one have the micro beads really exfoliate your skin, so it reveals your soft and smooth skin. With this one, reminds me with Kate Somerville, which is also so expensive. I think it's like $200. This one's pretty similar because you use it once or twice a week as well. You use it less if you have sensitive skin. This one makes my skin feel the same way. Like it doesn't feel too tingly. I don't think I have sensitive skin. Occasionally I do have, but lately my skin has been really good. And when I apply this, it feels the same way when I apply or use my Kate Somerville. But for less price, then I would for sure say this is a very good dupe for the Kate Somerville. The next is the Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. This pink clay mask is a super powered 4-in-1 formula. The mask draws out impurities, tightens pores, invigorates a dull complexion, and boosts radiance. This one is what I'd say my favorite. My skin doesn't feel too tight after I use it. And this one lasts you a long time. A little goes a long way. So when you apply it, you just apply like a thin layer and leave it for 10 minutes. You'll see right away that it dries. And then you wash it off with warm water afterwards and then pat dry with towel. You use it for 2 to 3 times a week if you have oily skin like myself. But if you have more dry or sensitive skin, then you can do 1 or 2 times a week. I've used a lot of clay masks before, and one of my favorite would be the Sephora collection, which is cheaper from my original favorite, which is Glam Glow. But this one is a great alternative for both. It still have a pretty good price point, but at the same time, it's not as drying as those two that I mentioned earlier because of the other hydrating ingredients that they put in here. I honestly like it better than the other two. And then last but not the least is the Smoothing Body Sand. This exfoliates and smooths your skin with coconut shell and moisturize with virgin macadamia oil. So how I use it, I kind of wet my body, or like after I shower that my skin is still a little bit wet or damp. I will use this tiny cute scooper to grab product and scrub my skin. So you use it like 2 or 3 times a week. This leaves your skin really soft and silky. At the same time, it feels so moisturized because of the macadamia oil. And the best part of this sand is it leaves biodegradable glitter. Yes, I'm not kidding. I hope you see it on the video. I tried to zoom it as much as I can, but I was so amazed how it has that glitter. It's not too glittery, but it just gives you a nice glow. It will be perfect for summer if you're going to the beach or just wanted to have a nice glow from within. This is a highly recommended holy grail product for me as well. There you guys have it. So overall, you can probably tell that I've been enjoying using this kit for a few weeks now. My favorite for sure will be the Pink Clay Mask. That's one of the products that I've tried and automatically turned out to be a quick favorite. It will for sure be part of my weekly maintenance thing or my skincare self-care routine. Also, I want to mention that the products are made in Australia and they are cruelty-free. They also smells amazing. That's a big plus for me for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've been thinking of trying Sand and Sky like I did before, please do yourself a favor and go check up the comment down below because I'll leave you the link to the kit that I have and to their website. Thank you again so much, Sand and Sky. I really enjoy the products and I hope you guys try them out because I promise you, you would love their products. And you guys can thank me later. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet and follow me on Instagram for more updates. I hope to see you guys again next week. Take care and keep safe.